A very good morning, students. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 9th standard class. Today we are going to discuss about the organ system in animals. Okay, in the unit 18, a female reproductive system we are going to see in this class. Just have to recall a previous class. What we have seen in a previous class? A male reproductive system. So in this class we are going to discuss about the female reproductive system, the page number of 242. First thing, we already say that what is the meaning for a reproduction. Here a reproduction, which means what? To producing the young one, to maintain the generation maintain பண்றதுக்கு to producing the young ones in படிச்சோம் இல்லையா, that is a reproduction. And here today we are going to discuss about what some of the system in female reproductive part. Okay, but that only we are going to discuss in this class. First thing, let us discuss about the parts of a female reproductive system. Here first part in the female reproductive system is ovary. Okay, here ovaries, just see this diagram. This is the structure of a female reproductive system, and here they are contained two bag-like structures. So here this is the structure of ovaries. Okay, but this is the what? Ovaries. They are attached on the both side of an uterus. Uterus ku both side layum attach aayirukkum. Okay, and here ovaries is there, no? That does act as act as a bag-like structures to development of ovum. That is the ova develop avarudukku takes place in the ovary part. Okay, here due to the secretion of some hormones, they are helpful to development of the ovum. That is the egg nu solluvom illaya. So egg development are taken place in the ovary. They are attached on the both side of an uterus, and each side of an ovary, just they are eliminate the ovum at the particular period. ஒரு மந்த்துக்கு இந்த சைட்ல இருந்து ovum release ஆனா next மந்த்துக்கு they are released from the ovary in another side. Okay, so this is the what? A structure of ovaries. And next one is the fallopian tube. So see here, this is the structure of ovary. We say this is the what? The structure of ovary. They are both sides, they are having a tube-like structures. Both sides they are having a tube-like structure. So this is the fallopian tube. சரியா, இங்க என்ன பண்ணும்? ovum develop ஆகும். Just they are rupture the ovary wall and released and reach the fallopian tube. So this is the fallopian tube. What is the major function of fallopian tube? Now they help to travel the egg, and particular part of an fallopian they are having a ambula. Ambula nu ஒரு part இருக்குப்பா. இந்த ambulaல தான் என்ன நடக்கும்னா the fertilization is taken place. Okay பா, ambulaன்ற partல egg wait பண்ணும். At that time there comes another sperm fuse ஆகி they form a oocytes form ஆகும். சரியா, and next part is the uterus. What is the next part? Uterus. Okay, just see a diagram. Here this is the uterus part. This is the what? And here, so this is the uterus part. Here what is the major function of uterus? Na they are given a cushion like structure for the developing of a baby. Cushion like structures mari they are given a place to the developing baby. Otherwise if they are not having any fertilization at the time, they are ovarian, the uterus wall iruklayya, they are ruptured and released through the menstrual period. Bleeding valiya just they are eliminate that uterine wall. So this is a structure of uterus. Here only their baby development is taken place. Okay, and next last part of a female reproductive system is a vagina. What is the last part? Vagina. Here just see this. This is a uterus we say na, and here they are having one opening, that is the cervix, and here they are having a portions like tube like portions mari iruka. So this is the vagina. ஓகேவா இந்த வெஜினா வழியாக தான் ப்ளீடிங்காக இருக்கட்டும் அண்ட் வென் தே ஆர் ப்ரெக்னன்சி பீரியட் ஓகே பேபி எக்ஸ்பல்ஷனும் இது வழியாக தான் நடக்கும் ஓகேவா த்ரூ தி வெஜினா ஓகே ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட் ஃபார் அன் female reproductive system. Just have to recall once again what are the parts are involved in the female reproductive system. The first one is the ovaries. Okay, here ovaries are both attached to the both side of an uterus. Here egg development is taken place in inside of an ovaries. Okay, and next one is the fallopian tube. This is a fallopian tube. Okay, what is the major function of fallopian tube? Pathonaka egg or the fallopian tube help to travel and reach the egg. Okay, well, there is a major function of fallopian tube. And next one pathonaka uterus. Here this is a part of uterus. A baby development has taken place in the uterus part. And last one is the vagina. Expulsion of baby is taken place or bleeding. At the time of a menstrual cycle, bleeding is taken place through the vagina. Okay, so that's it for parts of female reproductive system. Let us discuss. Here the first part in the female reproductive system is ovaries. Okay ma, just see this diagram. This is an oral view about the ovary. Here this is an ovary part. They are present in the both side of an uterus. So this is here ovary. The first one a pair of almond shaped ovaries. So this is a pair. Two irukka. So that they are given a name of a pair of almond. Almond seeds, almond seeds, almond shaped ovaries, and here near the kidney in each female, near the kidney. So kidneys are presented to be here, and same here also near to the kidney. And next one, ovaries are female in the gonads. Ovaries are female in the gonads. Here are gonads. Gonads we already say na. Gonads which mean to produce the gametes. Gametes are produced பண்றாங்களோ that is a parts of gonads. Okay va, a female na ovary, that is the male na sperm testes படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா. And here ovaries are the female gonads. அப்போ ovaries ல தான் என்ன ஆகுது, ovum produce ஆகுது. So ovaries தான் female க்கு gonads. Okay, and next one here gonads are producing what? Gametes. We already said na gametes in the female na they are producing egg or ovum. Egg or ovum rendume onnu dhaan. Okay, and here they are produced due to the reasons of sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone. Here they are having two kinds of sex hormone. First one estrogen and next one progesterone. Both of them are stimulated by the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland irukku adha master glandal endocrine system. Okay, first one estrogen, they are help to expulsion of an ovum, and progesterone they help to formation of corpus luteum. Okay, they are having a number of stages to development of ovary. We will study in the detailed explanation of development of ovum in a 10th standard class. So just know about that, what are the parts are involved in the female reproductive system. And next one, last one is the matured ovum contain a large number of ova. Matured ovary. Here this only we said ovary. You see what? Ovary. If they are a matured ovary. Matured ovary when they are at the puberty stage, they are having a number of ovum in that part. Okay, a large number of ovum. They are having a large number of ovum in a different stage of development. What they are saying, a different stage of development. If they are having a starting stage of ovary development, they are having a different stages to development in that. First வந்து primary follicles form ஆகும், அடுத்தது வந்து glandular cells form ஆகும். Okay, they are having a different stages to development of ovum. At the end of Graafian follicles form ஆன உடனே they are just ruptured and release the ovum. Ovum rupture பண்ணி release பண்ணும். So that they are having a different stages of development in the ovum. Okay, ஒரு matured ovary-ல a large set of ovum இருக்கும், egg நிறையா இருக்கும், இந்த different stage of development. Okay, so that's it for an ovary. I hope you have to understand that what is an ovary. Just have to recall once again. First thing, here ovary is a pair of almond shaped. Okay, and here they are attached near to the kidney. Kidney க்கு near-ல இருக்காங்க in female. And next பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ovaries தான் என்னதான் gonads. என்ன gonadsனா they are producing a gametes. Gametes யார் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்க தான் gonadsன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்போது ஃபீமேலுக்கு gametes ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறது பார்த்தோன்னா ovary. ஸோ ஃபீமேலில் gonads na, that is the ovary. And next one, here they are a development of egg is taken place because of two hormone, estrogen and progesterone. Okay, ma rendu hormones nalla they are development of egg is taken place. And next, a matured ovum. Matured ovum na when they attain a puberty stage la pathonaka in the age of 14 something we are saying no, 14 to 15 பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ஏஜில் they are having a huge number of ovum in the different stage of development stage may be differ ஆயிருக்கும். Okay, so that's it for an ovary. I hope you have to understand the ovary. Let me move on to next one. And next we are having here the next part is a fallopian tube. Okay va, fallopian tube la they are said a oviduct or duct அப்படினா என்னன்னா they are storing part, அதுதான் டக்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் ஓகேவா, கலெக்ட் பண்ணி ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறதா என்ன சொல்லுவோம், டக்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஹியர் a fallopian tube they are called as a oviduct. First thing, here they are having a paired tube originating from the uterus, or they say paired tube originate from the uterus. Just see a diagram. First one, paired tube சொல்லியாச்சா, so they are having a pair tube இருக்கா. so paired tube originate from the uterus, எங்கிருந்து ஆரிஜின் ஆகுது, யூட்ரஸ்ல இருந்து ஆரிஜின் ஆகுது. okay, and ended near to the ovary, ஓவரிக்கு நியரா எண்ட் ஆகுறாங்க. okay, so this is the ovary and they are ended to be near to the ovary. okay pa, so this is an oral view about the uterus. A paired tubes are originating from the uterus. This is a paired tube originating from the uterus. So this is the uterus, they are originated from the uterus in either side, rendu side la just they are attached to that. And here a terminal part of fallopian tube, which is a terminal nale, that is the ending part. okay va, terminal part of an fallopian tube, this is a terminal part of an fallopian tube. They act as a funnel shape. How they are act ma, funnel shape, funnel mari irukka, just see this irukka. okay, funnel shape, they act as a funnel shape. And here they are having a finger like projections. Irukka. What is the major reason they are having a finger like projection na, once their egg is expelled in the ovary, ஓவரியிலேருந்து எக்ஸ்பில்ட் ஆகனா, பர்ஸ்ட் ஆகி எக்ஸ்பில்ட் ஆகனா, ஜஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும், அதை கிராஸ்ப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா, அப்போது ஃபிங்கர் லைக் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, த நேம் இஸ் ஃபிப்ரியே. வாட் இஸ் அ நேம் டு திஸ் ஃபிங்கர் லைக் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் அன் ஓவரி இஸ் ஃபிப்ரியே. okay, so just they are trap the ovum are released from the ovary, just help to travel the ovum in the fallopian tube. Travel பண்றதுக்கு just they are helpful to that. And not only from the fibriae, they are having an infundibulum, ampulla. okay, nam 4 parts, nearly 4 parts will be there. okay, first part is then a fibriae. okay pa, so that's it for a fallopian tube. I hope you have to understand what is a fallopian tube. just have to reconsider once again, see the diagram. First thing, a pair of a tube arises from the, ஒரு pair, ரெண்டு pair இருக்காங்க tube, just they are arises, originate ஆகுறாங்க. எங்கிருந்துன்னு பார்த்தோன்னாக்கா யூட்ரஸ்ல இருந்து originate ஆகுறாங்க. ஓகேவா, just near to that, எங்கே எண்ட் ஆகுறாங்கன்னா near to the ovary, ஓவரிக்கு நியரில் எண்ட் ஆகுறாங்க. ஓகேவா, அதான் டெர்மினல் எண்டிங், டெர்மினல்னாலே எண்டிங் பார்ட் தான். ஓகேவா, அண்ட் ஹியர் அட் த எண்டிங் பார்ட் ஆஃப் a fallopian tube they are having a finger like projections. எதுக்கு finger like projectionsல இருக்காங்கன்னா, they are just receiving the ovum are released from the ovary. okay, மெச்சூர்டான ovum என்ன பண்ணும், ovary release பண்ணும். the finger like projection help to grasp the ovum. okay, so that's it for a fallopian tube end part. And here the end part they are having a one name, fibriae. okay, so that's it for a fallopian tube. I hope you have to understand that what is a fallopian tube. In the next video we are going to discuss about the two parts, that is the vagina and next one is the uterus. okay, this is the second one.